Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best gas fireplace blower is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maximizing the efficiency and comfort of your home's heating system, transforming a cozy ambience into a truly warm and inviting space by effectively circulating warm air throughout your room, ensuring that heat is distributed evenly and preventing those cold spots that can detract from the enjoyment of your fireplace, making it a crucial investment for any homeowner seeking optimal warmth and energy savings. Number 5. FK24 Fireplace Blower Fan Kit. Introducing our Fireplace Blower Fan Kit, designed to efficiently circulate warm air throughout your home. It includes all necessary components for optimal performance. Engineered with a ball-bearing blower assembly and high-quality parts, this kit ensures smooth operation and reduced wear. Enjoy long-lasting performance for years to come. Experience powerful yet quiet airflow with our ball-bearing motor. It delivers high-pressure circulation with low vibration, enhancing your home's heating efficiency. This kit comes fully assembled and pre-wired for hassle-free installation. Neodymium magnets and simple connections make setup a breeze in designated fireplaces. Designed for wide compatibility, it's an ideal upgrade or replacement for various gas fireplace systems. It fits a range of models, including Martin and similar units. What we like. This blower kit is designed for smooth, efficient operation with reduced wear thanks to its ball-bearing motor. It offers quiet, high airflow for excellent circulation. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-install upgrade for your existing gas fireplace, this is a great choice. What people say. The fan is quiet and moves a good amount of air. It was easy to install and works great. The variable speed control is a nice feature. Number 4. Hongso GFK 160A Fireplace Blower Fan Kit. Introducing the Hongso GFK 160A, a powerful blower fan kit designed to enhance your fireplace's heating efficiency. It's compatible with a wide range of popular fireplace brands. Installation is a breeze with pre-wired connections. Simply place it, attach the sensor, and enjoy immediate warmth distribution throughout your room. Customize your comfort with a 90-degree adjustable wind direction. The included speed controller allows you to fine-tune the fan speed for optimal heat output. Experience the warmth without the noise. Equipped with rubber feet, it significantly reduces vibration and operates so quietly you'll barely notice it's on. Built for durability and safety, its motor is UL approved, ensuring reliable performance. Enjoy peace of mind with this efficient heating solution. This versatile kit is designed to work with numerous fireplace models from brands like Heat and Glow, Quadra Fire, and Hearth and Home, among others. What we like. Featuring dual blower fans and a unique right-angled stand for 90-degree wind direction adjustment, this kit ensures more even heat distribution. If you want to precisely control where the warm air goes and enjoy a quieter heating experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The fan is quiet and moves a lot of air. It was easy to install and works great. Number 3. Pleasant Hearth GFB 100 Vent-Free Fireplace Blower. Experience enhanced heating throughout your entire room. This innovative fan offers a versatile 2-in-1 mode for optimal comfort. With manual mode, you can turn on the heat at the simple flick of a switch. Enjoy instant warmth whenever you desire. The fan automatically activates when the heater reaches above 113 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it only blows warm or hot air for efficient heating. It comes complete with a power supply featuring a 6-foot cord and all the necessary wiring. Setup is straightforward and hassle-free. This unit is specifically designed and certified to work exclusively with Pleasant Hearth vent-free fireplace systems. Enjoy peace of mind with a perfect fit. What we like. This blower offers 2 modes, manual for constant operation and auto mode, which activates only when the heater is hot. If you have a Pleasant Hearth vent-free fireplace system and want to ensure efficient heating only when it's safe and effective, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The fan is quiet and moves a lot of air. Easy to install and works great. It really helps circulate the heat from the fireplace. Number 2. GFK 160 Fireplace Blower Fan Kit. Introducing our premium fireplace blower kit, designed to efficiently circulate warm air throughout your large rooms. It ensures your space is heated evenly and comfortably. Crafted with a ball-bearing blower assembly and high-quality components, this kit is engineered for smooth, efficient operation. Enjoy long-lasting performance with reduced wear over time. Experience powerful yet quiet airflow with our ball-bearing motor. It delivers high-pressure circulation with low vibration, enhancing your fireplace's efficiency. Designed for a hassle-free setup, this replacement blower fits a wide range of fireplace inserts. Simply mount and connect, and refer to the compatibility chart for a smooth installation. This versatile upgrade is compatible with multiple models, including Heat and Glow and Quadra Fire. It serves as a reliable replacement for a wide range of gas fireplace systems. What we like. With a powerful 180 CFM airflow and a variable speed controller, this kit allows for precise control over your fireplace's heat output. If you need to circulate warm air efficiently in larger rooms and want the flexibility to adjust fan speed, consider this option. What people say. This blower is very quiet and pushes a lot of air. It was easy to install and works great. The variable speed control is a nice feature. Number 1. GFK 160 GFK 160A Replacement Stove Blower Fan Kit. Introducing the GFK 160 GFK 160A Replacement Stove Fireplace Blower Fan Kit. This kit is designed to fit various fireplace brands, including Heat and Glow, Heatolator, Quadra Fire, and GTI. It includes a blower fan unit, a 3-prong power cord, a universal connecting wire, and a rheostat with a thermostat. The thermostat turns on around 120 degrees Fahrenheit and off around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. With dual blowers and a center-mounted motor, its dimensions are 12.78 inches in length, 4.14 inches in height, and 4.14 inches in width. It operates at 3,000 revolutions per minute, delivering 160 CFM of airflow. This fan is compatible with numerous part numbers, including GFK 160, GFK 160A, Fasco 7002-1241, and Regency Wood Stove 846515, among others. Please check the cross-reference list for full details. Please remember that these are aftermarket replacement blowers, not OEM. It's crucial to compare the listed dimensions with your original unit to ensure it fits your space and fireplace. This unit operates on 120 volts and 60 Hz, drawing 1.0 A. It provides reliable performance with a maximum noise level of 75 dB, ensuring efficient heating. What we like. This kit features dual blowers and a precise thermostat for reliable operation, making it an excellent aftermarket replacement. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to replace your existing fireplace blower and need specific compatibility with brands like Heat and Glow or Regency, this is a solid choice. What people say. The fan is quiet and moves a lot of air. It was easy to install and works great. The variable speed control is a nice feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.